Hello there. So today I thought I would talk a little bit about myself, and first of all, because I know my dog doesn't want to be in this video for some reason, I don't know why, I wanted to introduce you to her. Kika. See. This is my dog. Isn't she lovely? No, you can't see her because she doesn't want to be on camera. But this is her. Yay! My little dog. Ooh, that's a good profile stuff you got there. Yeah. She's really sweet, and it's not really my dog, it's actually my mom's and my brother's, but I sort of take care of her to, walk her and feed her sometimes and stuff like that. But it's not really my dog, and actually I didn't want a dog, but I love my dog, so she's 2 years old, I think, so yeah. She's not really allowed to be in my room, but today we have workers downstairs because they're trying to figure out how we're gonna get hot water in the house again. We haven't had hot water for about 2 weeks now, and it's really, really, really irritating. Yes, it is. So, I thought I would talk a bit about myself today, and I've just 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. So I wanted to talk about myself today, and I know I haven't done that yet, so I thought, why not do it today? Yeah. So I'm blah. I'm 19 years old. I live in Denmark, and I've always lived the place I live right now with my mom and dad. I'm going to move out this August when I hopefully get into the university I want to go to, which is in Aalborg. And if I don't get in, I don't know what to do, but I think I will because my grades are pretty okay, and yeah, so I can't see why I shouldn't get in. So, um, yeah, but I've always lived here. Not much to tell really about where I live. I think Skjern, which is the city I live in, is mostly known for, in Denmark at least, for handball. And that sucks because I played soccer or football, whatever, when I was younger. So, and I hated handball. I can't throw a ball unless it's like this with two hands. Um, um, no, but I played soccer when I was like, when did I begin? When I think I began playing soccer when I was 9 or something. I think I played soccer for 10 years, then I got a knee injury, and I've had it for about 4 years now, and my knee never got the same, so I can't really run the long distances, and I can't run for a longer period of time, and it really sucks because I like soccer. It was one of my favorite things to do. So, and I was kind of good at it. I think I was good at it. I played defense, um, and it was fun to tackle people and make them fall down and stuff. Yeah, great for me. But now, right now, at this moment in my life, I'm mostly just working, trying to earn some money to go to university next year, and I think it's going pretty good. I have a lot of money saved up, and when I move out, I think I'll do okay in the beginning. So, plus in Denmark we have the government give us money if you're studying something if you're over 18. So yes, my government is gonna help me too. That's great. Then I don't have to get a job right away. I think I'm gonna wait to find a job after a year or something. So I will kind of get used to the idea of going to university and not have to work weird hours. So yeah, yeah. And even though I'm sitting here, I think I should say this, in front of the computer in my spare time, I do have real friends too. Um, Most of them don't live in Scan anymore because they've already gone to university or then I don't know what you call it, but another place where you can learn some stuff, but in your free time. I don't know what you call it. It's like a school, but for grown-ups. I haven't really looked it up, so I don't know what it's called. Or they're working as well as me, and I can't see them during the day, so. And the only reason why I'm doing this video today is because I needed to do something for about 3 hours, 4 hours. I'm going to work later too, so yeah. I was at work yesterday as well. It was a long day, 11 hours. Yeah, today it's only gonna be 6 hours, I think. So that's kind of okay. Um, yeah. I don't know what else to tell you about me. The sun is shining today. It's been raining for about 3 days. Yes, I'm going to talk about the weather because I don't know what else to talk about. That's kind of sucks. Oh yeah, there was a worker in my room like 2 seconds ago, and I haven't cleaned it, and it looks like crap. And I hope he's not gonna judge me for it. But I don't know. I wasn't really expecting anyone to come into my room, so yeah, that was kind of awkward. And I was like this trying to make a video just a second ago, but then I thought, oh, I'm gonna scratch that one and make a new one. And I'm gonna stop now because it's 7 minutes, and the last one I did was 15, and it was way too long. So, but I hope this was okay. I'm not really comfortable about talking about myself, but I just talk about the most standard things, I guess. Yeah, so hope you all well and bye.